When using the editor on Fusion, you may wish to add specialist characters. There is a selection of standard font characters available from this button. Things like currency, some basic math symbols, and also language symbols that you might want to use when you're adding languages. In addition to this, you might want something more complex for maths and chemistry. And we have this button here, which allows us to drop in both maths and chemistry style symbols. There's a whole range of options in these tabs, but I can simply choose one of these and enter any characters that I need to add and say OK, and that will drop them into this box. There's also the option to write in the characters freehand. It recognises what you've drawn, and you say OK, and it adds them to this screen. When you finish building your symbol set, just say Continue, and it drops it into the document. So that's how to add a range of symbols to your documents on Fusion.